Are you on the hunt for ways to add value to your home? You've come to the right place. In our modern world, the home is more than just four walls and a roof. It's an extension of our personality, our lifestyle, and yes, our financial portfolio. The exterior of our homes, the landscaping and hardscaping play a pivotal role in this. They are the first impressions, the welcome mats that can significantly elevate the value of our homes. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of home exterior upgrades and outdoor projects. We'll be exploring how patios, retaining and garden walls, garden bed restoration and bordering can transform your home. These simple steps, when done correctly and efficiently, can maintain structure and beauty for years, exponentially growing in value. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey of transformation. Stay tuned to learn how to make your home not just a living space, but a valuable asset. First things first, let's delve into updating the exterior of your home. It's a transformative process which not only revamps your home's curb appeal, but also enhances its market value. Now, where do we start? Well, a fresh coat of paint can give your home a new lease of life. It's like putting on your best attire for a special occasion. You could go for a color that complements your neighborhood or even a bold hue that sets your home apart. Either way, it's an instant facelift that boosts your home's visual appeal. Next, let's talk about doors and windows. These are not just functional elements of your home, but also significant contributors to its aesthetics. Replacing old, worn-out doors with modern, stylish ones can dramatically transform your home's exterior. Similarly, installing new windows can add a touch of elegance, while also improving energy efficiency. Now, moving to the top of your home, the roof. A well-maintained roof is crucial for the integrity of your home. Repairing or replacing a damaged roof not only prevents leaks and potential structural damage, but also enhances your home's overall appearance. Gutters too play a vital role in preserving your home's exterior. Regularly cleaning and maintaining your gutters prevents water damage and protects the foundation of your home. Plus, shiny clean gutters add to the neatness of your home's exterior. But updating the exterior of your home isn't just about the house itself, it's also about the surrounding area. Keeping your driveway, walkways, and fences in top shape contributes to the overall appeal of your property. And let's not forget about lighting. Well-placed exterior lights can highlight your home's best features, provide security, and create a welcoming atmosphere for guests after sunset. In essence, every aspect of your home's exterior, from the paint job to the gutters, plays a role in defining its character and value. Each update, each improvement you make, is a step towards creating a home that's not just visually pleasing, but also a valuable asset. Remember, a well-maintained exterior is the first thing potential buyers see. Make it count. Next on the agenda is landscaping, a powerful tool in enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Landscaping is more than just mowing the lawn, it's about creating a harmonious balance between your home and the natural beauty surrounding it. Think of it as painting a picture, but instead of using brushes and paints, you're using trees, shrubs, and flowers. Starting with the basics, lawn maintenance is the foundation of any beautiful landscape. Regular mowing, watering, and fertilizing will keep your grass green and lush, providing a beautiful backdrop for the rest of your landscape features. Planting trees and shrubs is another essential element of landscaping. Strategically placed, these can provide shade, privacy, and visual interest. They also have the added benefit of improving air quality and providing habitats for local wildlife. Remember, variety is key. Mixing evergreen and deciduous trees can provide year-round beauty and interest. Next, let's talk about flower beds. These are the vibrant strokes on the canvas of your landscape. Seasonal flowers can add pops of color and texture to your yard. Perennials, which bloom year after year, are a great choice for a low-maintenance garden. Annuals, on the other hand, although they only last one season, can provide dramatic, eye-catching displays. But landscaping isn't just about plants, it's also about design. A well-planned landscape should guide the viewer's eye, leading them on a journey through your property. Curved pathways, for instance, can add a sense of mystery and exploration. On the other hand, straight paths create a sense of purpose and direction. And let's not forget hardscaping elements like patios and garden walls, which we will delve into in the next section. These can provide structure to your landscape, creating spaces for relaxation and entertainment. In essence, a well-planned and maintained landscape can significantly increase a property's value. Not only does it enhance the home's curb appeal, but it also creates an inviting space for outdoor living. A beautiful landscape can transform your property into an oasis of beauty, increasing its market value. Moving on to hardscaping, an often overlooked but crucial aspect of home improvement. So what is hardscaping? It's the use of non-living elements in your landscape design. This includes patios, retaining and garden walls, garden bed restoration, and bordering. These features are not just aesthetically pleasing, but they also add functional value to your home. Let's start with patios. A well-designed patio can be an extension of your living space, a place where you can relax, entertain, or even enjoy a quiet morning coffee. It's more than just a slab of concrete. The materials used, the layout, and the overall design can significantly impact the value of your property. High-quality materials and a professional installation can increase the durability and lifespan of your patio, making it a long-term investment. Next, we have retaining and garden walls. These are not just functional, providing necessary support to prevent soil erosion, but they can also be a standout feature in your landscape design. Imagine a beautifully crafted stone wall, gracefully curving around a garden bed full of vibrant blooms. It's a sight that can impress any visitor and potential buyer. Speaking of garden beds, restoring and bordering them is another hardscaping project that can add immense value. A well-maintained garden bed can be a focal point in your landscape design, drawing the eye and adding a burst of color and life. Bordering can help keep your garden tidy and clearly define the different areas of your yard. Plus, it's an opportunity to get creative with materials and design. But remember, hardscaping is not a do-it-yourself project. It requires a professional touch to ensure that everything is installed correctly, efficiently, and safely. A poorly done hardscaping project can end up costing you more in the long run, so it's worth investing in a professional service. Hardscaping, when done right, can offer you a great return on your investment. And it's not just about the potential increase in your property's value, it's about creating a home that you love, a space that brings you joy and comfort every day. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to put it into action. It's essential to remember that transforming your home's exterior, landscaping, or hardscaping does not happen overnight. It's a process, one that requires careful planning, budgeting, and execution. Let's start with the first step, deciding whether to hire professionals or do it yourself. It's a critical decision that depends on your skill level, available time, and budget. If you're confident in your abilities and have the time, DIY can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to make these changes. However, hiring professionals can save you time and ensure the work is done correctly, which can ultimately add more value to your home in the long run. Next, let's talk about budgeting. First, determine what changes you want to make and estimate their costs. Research the average costs of materials and labor in your area to create a realistic budget. Remember to factor in contingencies for unforeseen expenses. It's always better to overestimate than underestimate when it comes to budgeting for home improvement projects. Planning is the third crucial step. It's not just about deciding what changes to make, but also about figuring out the order in which to make them. For instance, it might make sense to update your home's exterior before moving on to landscaping or hardscaping projects. This way, you can avoid any potential damage to your newly installed garden beds or patios during the renovation. Finally, remember to take one step at a time. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you're trying to transform your home. Break down your plans into manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. Don't rush the process. Quality work takes time and patience. Start small, but start today. Your dream home is within your reach. Whether you're updating the exterior, landscaping your property, or installing a new patio, each step you take is a step closer to creating a home that not only looks beautiful, but also increases in value over time. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the importance of updating the exterior of your home, not just for aesthetic appeal, but also for the significant value it adds. Fresh paint, new siding, or even a simple power wash can make a world of difference. We also explored the transformative power of landscaping. A well-groomed lawn or a blooming garden bed can turn a house into a home and elevate its market value. Don't forget about hardscaping either. Patios, retaining and garden walls, and proper bordering can add structure, beauty, and value to your property. Remember, these updates are not just quick fixes. They are long-term investments that, if done correctly and efficiently, can maintain your home's structure and beauty for years, exponentially growing in value. Updating your home is an investment, one that can yield great returns. Make that investment today.